Well, I'm going to show you now how to create your first set. Of course, you will have to your own account, including your username and your password, like in any other website. But now I'm going to click here on create. So once you log in a website, you can click on create, and then you can start your own vocabulary set. I decided to call this vocabulary set Vocabulary about Unit 9, which is related to jobs and studies. If I scroll down, I'm going to see that I have the opportunity to include the terms. So this is my first term, scholarship. I can include here a definition that I create or a definition that it gives me. I can have it in Spanish, but I don't want that because I want to forget about Spanish for a moment. So I'm going to click here on image, and it's going to show me some images that can help me probably remember that vocabulary. So I'm going to include maybe this one. Then I'm going to include the next word. The next word is tuition. That's a word that someone taught us during this session that we had. So I'm going to click here in image again, and I'm going to see the images related to tuition. Because tuition is money, I'm going to include this one. The money that is included. In here, I'm going to have the opportunity to add more cards. So I can add 3, 4, 5, as many as I want. I can include in here applicant. And let's again find the image. So maybe this one can be okay. Well, applicant is more like a person. So I'm going to select probably this one. All right. So I can add as many as you want. 50, 20 as you want to, okay? And then you click here on create. I'm only going to create my set with this 3 words to show you what you can do. Once you do that, you will have all your flashcards. So again, if you click on flashcards, you will be able to see the flashcards you created. You will be able to practice with the activities, to take the test, to play the games. Everything is going to be there automatically. So again, if you switch scholarship, you will be able to listen to it and of course play all of the games. Now this is it. It's as simple as that. I have forgotten to show you match, which is my favorite game. You will have to drag the words to the images. So I'm going to do this, and then you have a competition with yourself. I took 10 seconds. So this is Quizlet. I hope you can use it every day for 5 minutes, and it's going to help you learn a lot of vocabulary.